So duty calls the Maverick early in the new year to pacify another contentious issue. This time, the naming of American basketball superstar LeBron James as the Reuters Male Athlete of the Decade, ahead of Jamaica's sprint legend Usain Bolt. Lots of people are saying the 8-time Olympic champion and multiple world champion should have been the man of the decade ahead of the American. But in comes the Maverick again to cool down the emotions. Now, first of all, Bolt's best and most dominant years were 2008 and 2009. Triple Olympic gold and triple world records, followed by triple world titles and triple world records. Those 2009 1 and 200 records still stand. But those epic 2008 and 2009 performances are not included in the past decade, which started in 2010. The next thing is that Bolt's dominance was mostly at big events, world championships and Olympics, which were like every 2 years. In between that, Bolt raced selectively and sparingly, while LeBron James and footballers like Messi and Ronaldo were dominant game after game, season after season for the entire decade. They never took games off, much less seasons off. They brought their brilliance more consistently than Bolt. And speaking of day-to-day and game-by-game dominance, if one Lionel Messi had dominated and won that World Cup in 2014, he would be my male athlete of the decade. But that's just me. Yes, that's just me. And that's if.